Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get shaders on Roblox Mobile Blox Fruit. Shaders can transform your game, adding depth and vibrant effects to the Blox Fruit world. To start, make sure your mobile device has at least 4 GB of RAM and a capable processor, as advanced graphics require significant power. A reliable internet connection, ideally over a strong Wi-Fi signal, will prevent interruptions during downloads and ensure smooth gameplay. Next, finding the right shader mod is key. Look for well-regarded communities on platforms like Discord or specialized forums where creators share their work and provide support. It is important to check if the mod specifically states compatibility with mobile devices, such as those running Android or iOS. Always prioritize safety. Only download from trusted sources to avoid potential security risks or issues with your game files. Once you have selected a mod, download the shader package to your mobile device. These files are often compressed, so you might need a file manager app to extract them. The critical step is placing these extracted files into the correct Roblox game directory on your phone, often found under Android/data or similar paths. Before moving any files, make a backup of your current game data. This precaution can save you considerable effort if something goes wrong during installation. With the shaders installed, launch Roblox and Blox Fruit. Navigate to the game settings, and you should find an option to activate or configure the shader mod. Play around with various settings such as shadow resolution or anti-aliasing. These adjustments significantly impact both visuals and performance. Remember to strike a balance between breathtaking graphics and a smooth frame rate, perhaps aiming for 30 to 60 frames per second for the best gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.